In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with Jotform Tables. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Tables. Click Create Table, then choose Start from Scratch. To rename your table, click the three-dot menu next to the table name, select Rename, enter a new name and press Enter. Click the Add button to create new fields for your table. Enter the field names you want, such as name, email, or notes, and your changes will be saved automatically. Continue adding any additional fields you need to organize your data. If you want to collaborate with others, click Share in the top right corner and generate a shareable link or invite team members by email. That's how to get started with Jotform Tables. Thanks for watching.